Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today I am back with another drink video. Today's video is going to be nice, simple, and short. I'm going to be making a watermelon margarita. So what I have here is the Jose Cuervo watermelon margarita mix. And this is, I guess it's El Jimador. Let me know. Well, you can't really let me know if I'm saying it right or not, but I don't know if I'm saying it the correct way. I let the guy in the liquor store talk me into getting that instead of the Jose Cuervo. He said it tastes better. We'll see. So here I have my ice. I have it filled up to the 4-cup mark. And I'm going to pour in my Jose Cuervo margarita mix. I'm going to try and measure it. And this mix do already have the Jose Cuervo in it. It's not a really big percentage, but I think it's like 9.95% alcohol by volume. So I'm going to pour in my mix. That's about a cup. I'm going to add about I did 3 extra shots. Go ahead and get my top on, turn it on, and hit my ice drink button, of course. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more ice in there. All right, so I have my 2 glasses here. I got these from the Dollar Tree, and I did have them in the freezer for a little bit. You can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and get my mix poured in there. And then I just have some watermelon slices. All right, guys, there you have it. My watermelon margaritas. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down below if there's anything you would like to see me make, and I will be happy to do that. I have a bunch of drinks on my list from requests, and I'm going to get to those soon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.